should have imagined that this is how it will happen. In fact, many times, lots of us have been saying also that the virus is down but not out, and we have to keep our uh, uh, care, extreme care, because it may come back any time, and that's what essentially has happened. And it is normal in this kind of infection, the virus keep mutating, and whichever variant or whatever mutation is more efficient in spreading will become more and more common, and that is normal process of evolutionary selection. And that is what happening to with this virus also. If you have large number of people infected, then more chance of new variants emerging is higher. That's why lots of variants are emerging and will emerge in India, because we are going to have now the largest number of the infected people. So what happened during in past 2-3 months is that these variants were there, like double variant, what we call today double mutant or Indian variant. We have seen it in October, but not that long back. But people were taking care, and so it was around. But now, in past 2 months, it has suddenly picked up. The reason is simple, that there are people stopped taking care of mask or other things. They thought the virus is gone, the vaccine has come, and virus will now run away, listening the name of vaccine. Although many people did not take vaccine, and hopefully now it will pick up, because that's a very good tool we have today to fight this pandemic. But the most important tool we have is COVID appropriate behavior. The trick of this virus is that I will not even know that I am infected, right? So unless I am tested. So if maximum number of people we can test, of course there is strategy, there is suspicion, more cases arising and so on, go and test most people there and isolate those who are infected, so that new cases don't appear so much. Then uh, people, those who have not been tested, they should always assume that virus may be there, I may be carrying the virus. So I each time consider the other person as susceptible and may get infected, and vice versa. Therefore, all the time wear mask. There is no need to do big marriage parties. There is no need to do temple activity, political rallies. They all are going to cast very heavy on us. It's very disappointing that knowingly we have allowed this virus to become a dominant factor now, and we are in a big trouble. We can manage now when we start at war footing, that nobody, you can go out of the house, it's not, but always wear the mask. Open in the air virus is not so much, but don't cluster. Don't go on a tea stall and cluster with four people and wear and drink tea. Avoid those things for a few months. So 2-3 weeks are going to be extremely crucial, that how difficult is going to be.